One, two, three. Tilt the straightener downwards. Wrap the hair around. Still hold this extremely tight and loosen the grip from here and twist it until the hair is coming in front like this. And then now start going downwards. Slowly, you see that my straightener is still tilted downwards. Hi, you guys, welcome back. This is Mayuri Verma Soni. I got so much of love on my previous hair video on how I blow dry my hair that today I'm here again with a hair video on how I curl my hair with a straightener. And these are the most long lasting curls ever. I've been doing it for years and years and years. And this literally does not leave until I wash my hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. The sectioning is still the same for almost all the hairstyles like you've seen in the blow dry video previously that I uploaded, which is one full partition from here till the nape of my neck, and I'm divide my hair into two sections, and then I start working like this. Like I leave a little bit of hair above my ear and I start sectioning till the this portion. अब इसको पता नहीं कैसे बोलूं, but then till the time, but till the point you hit the middle section. This is the most general sectioning that I do almost for all my heat stylings, and I'm just like clutched it randomly. And this is the section that I am going to work with. Usually I go from back to front, but just to show what exactly I'm doing, I'm gonna do the front section first. I have to take just this much of hair at once. The most important thing in your straightener is that it should have heat settings, and also it shouldn't be like extremely square. You see that my straightener has a little bit of curves over here and over here. That gives a good curl instead of the extremely squarish straighteners. Just see where I put my thumb. I think the best way for you to notice exactly how I'm twisting and turning is to follow where my thumb is. I am going to push this inside inward, put the hair in front, hold this over here, and इसको सिर्फ घुमा रही हूँ मैं. I'm holding this तो ये इसको कोई problem नहीं हो रहा है, like it's not going to get loose. And then I clasp it till the time the hair is in front of the frame. And then if you notice that my straightener is upward, facing upwards, and I'm slowly going down, and ta-da. Just because I was explaining for a longer time while I was doing this, that this curl has become super tight, but it is okay. I will show you how a curl will look if you go like really fast. So I'm going to take my section over here, just follow my thumb. One, two, three, and then I am just twisting this and dragging it down. If you see, my straightener is like this, and ta-da. This is how you get the most long lasting curls ever. Just look at the difference between this hair and this hair. Oh my god. I'm just going to push this behind and start working with the above section. Taking the last section from here and again working from back to front. 2, 3. Ta-da, this section is done. I'm just going to give it a little swirl and push this behind. One, two, three. Smoothened the roots. Then I am turning it inside and now dragging it outward. If by any chance your hair gets stuck as in it's not moving forward, just loosen your grasp and then go again. होता है कभी कभी that your hair gets a little tight, like it's just not moving ahead. Then all you have to do is just leave a little, like loosen the grip a little, and then वो open हो जाएगा and then it'll become easier. One, two, three. And then going like this. अगर hair निकलने लग जाए यहाँ से तो उसे अंदर कर लेना from here, but make sure you don't burn yourself, please. I've been doing it for a long time, so I know exactly how to like push it back in. If not, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा निकल चुका है, just redo it. One, two, three. And this one I'm going to do very lightly, like I'm not even touching this because I just want it to be very soft. And oh yeah, oh, I see a random hair which is straight. I'll just give it a little twist and hmm, this is how the done section looks, and this is how my hair was naturally. I am going to open these curls after I'm done with the whole hair, but right now I'm just going to let it cool. And there's a huge difference between how I did my hair on the left side than how I'm going to do it on my right side. So just stay tuned to know exactly how I twist my hair, so that if all my hair goes like this and it's looking very graceful instead of all the hair coming in front and all. वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. There's a difference between how you hold your straightener on the left side and on the right side. For the right side of the hair, I am going to section my hair again, leaving some space above my ear and going all the way till the middle parting. And clipping it in. We're going to work with this section first, and I'm going to take the last section possible over here from the back. The technique again is same. I have to smoothen it out. I have to go through it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And do you see that I'm still holding my hair so that I don't lose my hair again and again? So it's just 1, 2, and 3. And then now, earlier on this side, I had my straightener like this, like it was headed towards up. And for this one, my hand is going to face downwards. I'm going to just wrap my hair like this and twist it until this section of the hair is in front. And I'm going to slowly start going downwards. And that is it. And I'm just going to push whatever hair is getting done. One, two, and three. Now we're going to tilt it downwards and wrap the hair like this, and then loosen this grip and twist it until this section of the hair is in front like this. And then now we're going to go downward slowly. The slower you go, the tighter your curls are going to be. And it's okay if your curls are tight right now, because if you want them to be really long lasting, let it look tight at first, and then as in when you go about your day वो और loose होता जाएगा, and you can just skip using a hair spray and all, and just let it be and just let it flow as you know as and when it has to. One, two, three. Tilt the straightener downwards. Wrap the hair around. Still hold this extremely tight and loosen the grip from here, and twist it until the hair is coming in front like this. And then now start going downwards. Slowly, you see that my straightener is still tilted downwards so that I get that beautiful curl. And yeah, do you see the difference? What I mean by left and right? Left side is going behind and right side is also going behind, making it look prettier. If I did the same technique over here, यहाँ के बाल ऐसे आते and that would not look nice. So that is the difference between the left side and the right side. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the section above. Taking the last section possible in my hand. One, two, three, tilting it downwards, and then just going, pulling it down, and that's it. Twisting it again and then pushing it back. Try not to take like a very huge chunk of hair, otherwise it won't give you like the most curled hair. But if you want, like, a very soft curl, you can take bigger section. The bigger section you take, the more softer your curl will be, and the smaller sections you take, the more tighter the curls are going to be. The same goes with how long you take to go from up to down. If you go fast, it'll be softer. If you go slow, it will be tighter. But I like to go mid so that it stays for a really long time. I am just going to go slowly. अब इसमें भी एक और चीज़ है. If I want to go really fast, I want to do my hair really fast, I take such big sections and I go slow so that ये बड़े section में भी थोड़ी सी tight curl हो जाएगी and मेरा काम जल्दी हो जाएगा. Look at this. You see what I mean by big section में भी tight curl हो जाएगा? It's this. By going a little slow, then मेरा काम भी fast हो जाएगा. Like I will not need a long time to do my hair. Oh my god, I just mixed my hair and I'm just going to go over it. It's fine, no problem. तो ये सब चीज़ें होती रहती है. Sometimes you mix sections and everything. No need to get extremely scared and everything, but just go with it. And I'm not making like proper sections, okay? It's very random. It's very random. कोई पतला था, कोई मोटा था. It did not matter. The thing about this hair styling and everything, I like it to not look extremely perfect. It should just look nice and कोई सा भी एरिया छूटना नहीं चाहिए. That is it, nothing else. And see, look at this. I'm now pushing it back. One, two, and three. Twisting it like this and going downwards. Done. Over here, I'm just going to section it into two. ऊपर and नीचे. पहले नीचे वाला करती हूँ. यही वाला मेरा mix हो गया था and then it started looking very weird. And the last section like this. And ये वाला तो मैं बहुत fast जाती हूँ because I don't want it to look very like extremely tight. Ta-da! And this is how the curls look right now, because I'm going to open them in a while. As soon as this side of my hair is like cooled down, that is when I will open it up. But till then I just wait for a while, like around 2 to 3 minutes, until I put my serum and open it up. I will show you exactly how I open my hair as well. And that is it. Putting it on my palm and massaging it in between my fingers. And now I will just crunch it up. This is the reason why I have that super glossy curls. That is because I do this step with a serum. I'm just crunching it up, cooling down that curls, cooling down the curls. I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair. On this side too. Putting my hair in front and doing the same again. And here you go. And this is how I do my long lasting curls, which do not leave me until I actually wash my hair the next time. So it actually just, fades off in the most beautiful curls, like a straight curl, like a beachy curl, by the end of my third day. And that is my cue to like wash my hair. But this is exactly how I do my curls with a straightener. And that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions regarding this video, you can drop it down on the comment section and I will reply to them as soon as possible. And I post every Friday, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm going to put it somewhere here. Till then, I'm going to see you next week. Bye bye.